Good morning, everybody. Today is February 27th, 2026. Let's make some money, I guess. That's what we've been doing. So I got my payout yesterday for 1,800. I always show you the proof. I will go into my Gmail to do that. Da, da, da. Top step. Your payout has been processed. Yeah, congratulations on your payout. Nice. So I decided to buy one more Lucid account. I like the TradeC platform a lot, to be honest. One eval already has 1,500 made on it, so this one will trade till Monday, Tuesday. Hopefully, I could finish it in 2 days, and this one I can finish today. Today's sentiment's bearish again. I mean, yesterday I was not expecting such a big drop, but I went over my notes, and last time NVIDIA released their share earnings and revenue earnings, the stock gapped up. I think it was like 5% or something, 3%, 4%, whatever it was, and then the next day, the entire market fell like 1.5%, right? I think it's just it's just the lack of further investment that banks and institutions are willing to make. I think more of it goes to the private equity sector, right? Private investments. But today, I don't know if it's going to be a continuation. We broke. We're down already 1% on the day, and the market hasn't even opened. We got levels sitting at what it looks to be 675, and 24,787. I think that's just targets for open. Targets sitting pretty low. CVD's minus 1,500. I'm not going to make any assumptions on where price action is most likely to go, because we've been chopping up and down like crazy. 2 days ago, we were just pumping like 200-300 points. Yesterday we fell, I think, 500. So the best thing to do in these types of scenarios when you're not exactly sure where price action is willing to go, I think it's just understand if it's going to be a range or a trend, right? Like yesterday, it was pretty understandable it's going to be a trend. We're sitting under both VWAPs. No liquidity really forming to the upside. We saw, big drop in CVD, big sellers stepping in, trying to push price down, buyers trying to get out of their position. And then once we got those moves, we just couldn't, it was just a falling knife at that point, right? So it's good to be just relatively safe, right? In case you're wrong, go minimum contracts, 1-2 micros. If you're running a 50K account on a funded, you should not be running more than 1 to 2 micros in these types of conditions, right? Maybe 3 if you want to re-add in on a position. That's what I typically do, because I got burned. If I ran more than 4 micros, I either make $2,500 or I get burned for 1,000 that day, because I just don't have enough drawdown, right? In these types of scenarios, sometimes your stop's going to have to be wider. Like I'm saying, like 50, 60, 70 points, just in case, Yes, you could try to target it, target these entries a little bit better, but, most case scenarios, you're not going to be able to time them perfectly every single time. So you just have to account the margin of error in your thought process, right? By the cost of what you're willing to risk on this trade. Like yesterday, we didn't really have to run that big of a stop, because we just hit the timing perfectly, right? Because we had rejection of New York and overnight, and then overnight was right on top of New York, and then we could just place our stop right above it, and that was about 30-40 points stop, right? And our target was about 200 points. That's a pretty, days like that, they come maybe once a week. And if you could really target that, really nail those entries, I mean, life just becomes so much easier. So much easier. But we'll see. We'll see what happens. Seeing the ask starting to kind of build up. See those buyers stepped in right here. It's a pre-market buy-in. I can't tell if pre-market is just going to shoot straight up. So our point of control is at 950. Or we're just going to shoot straight down. We got one little ice wall right there. The guy's trying. He's trying to hold this thing up all by himself. But we have a lot of liquidity overnight, it seems like. A lot of traders. Looks like they're trying to balance their portfolios before market open. I don't think anyone was expecting that dip. A lot of investors probably got caught by surprise by a negative 5% drop. Yeah, minus 5.4% drop in the video at 184. Tesla, took a beating too. Google took a beating for almost 2%. Microsoft still chilling. Netflix up. Apple down. I mean, my expectation for the market right now is like consolidating bearish. Overall, general view for the year so far, we're just going to be kind of either chopping around or moving downwards a little bit, and then we'll make we get those big bounces back up, and then we're just going to start shooting down. I think we're extremely overbought. Banks and institutions are running out of liquidity to support their positions. There's a lot of debt that, there's a lot of outstanding debt from people. Yeah, I mean, you see that bid? That bid is crowded. Honestly, I might hop in pre-market. You think pre-market might be the hit? Dude, we're at the low of day right now. This is the low of day. Ooh, that's risky. I'm not, too much risk. Watch this thing dip right now, dude. I just know everyone's trying to get out of the position for the sell-off. It's tempting. 248 icebergs. 10 contracts each. I just slammed in 51. Yeah. Ooh. That bid's too crowded for buyers to take this thing up. But I'm not going to just hop in a minute before pre-market, because if I'm wrong, I'm deadly wrong. Definitely wrong. Oh, God. VIX is up 14%. It's not good. I want to say I won't be expecting a bounce at open, but I wouldn't be surprised if we made a bounce to overnight first and then made our way back down to, whatever levels we're going in, or make a little dip and then just evidently bounce back to point of control or something. Because I'm not really sure, when market's bearish, it's usually staying bearish. So see that little bounce. Ooh, Bookmap's glitching. Yep, see, look at that. PPI was too high. They're gonna have to. Yeah, those buyers have to get out of this. I do expect this thing to dip. There's that dip. Wait a second. Wait a second. Let it get under 20s. There it is. I'm gonna hop in for 5. Ooh, oh no. Look at those ice. Look at that ice. I might have rushed into this position, but I think I still am right. Ooh, not anymore. That I was not expecting. Ooh. Wait. I'm going to see if we sweep the 50s. Oh, God. Oh, no, man. Oh, you're kidding me. Oh. Oh. I'm still holding this. Don't do that to me. Come on. It's terrible. Terrible entry. Terrible entry. There it is. Whoa. Oh, that recent ask has 445. Ooh. Let's see. There's that though. Okay. Let's try to get in this. There it is. Come on. 70s. Not loving this. I am not loving this. Don't do that to me. Don't do that to me. I've been nice to you. Come on. There it is. There's those sellers. We have to hold on their 70 for it to be valid, though. Yeah, there's too many buyers at 70s and 80s. There you go. There it is. Come on. Can we just push, please? They're really trying to hedge this thing down. We're holding 80s very well. Very well. Come on. Get me out of drawdown, please. Nice. Some big seller stepped in. Hopefully doesn't get swept out. Come on. Oh, yeah, 100% got swept out. Okay, it's not bad. We're in the mid 70s. Can we take this thing downwards now? Consolidating in a 10-point range. 5 minutes into open. Come on. There it is. There's that dip. There's that dip. Come on. Broke 60s. 50s should be clean. 60s is holding well. There's a good stack of liquidity for 25. My target's 800. Ay. That's disgusting. Another big seller stepped in. They're really trying to drag this thing lower. And there's got to be a lot of buyers to take this thing higher, man. Okay, 17's the new target. Nice. Can we dip below 50s, please? There it is. There's that push. Can we hold that? Nice. It's crowded. Nice. Come on, hold it. Hold 50s for me. CBD is still going down. Beautiful. Volumes corresponding on our side, or it was. Now it's bouncing. Okay, yeah. Wow. Whoa. Seriously? Oh, dude, there's no way, bro. There's no way. Liquidity might be thin below. Explains why I won't want to get dragged down. 50's crowded though. 70s is holding. Come on. $77, $75, $72. There's some kind of push right here. Man, we got a consolidated market. Seriously? Look at all sellers, bro. All sellers. They just get ran like that? Really? Oh no, don't do it, dude. Don't do it to me. Sweep. Nice. Nice. What a great move. Please just fall. Please just fall. Just please just fall. 60s. Oh, dude, this thing's bouncing like crazy. Getting really choppy open, bro. I wasn't expecting chop. I was expecting, one directional movement. It's fine though. There it is. There's that push. There's that push. Nice. We hit full TP. I'm not loving these small sweeps. Can we break that low? That's the big question. '50s, '60s. '50s is holding somewhat. I'm not. Jeez, man. Okay. I like this now. Yeah, this looks good. This looks good. Yep. Nice. Oh, big spike. Did not smack TP though. Come on. Don't sweep again, dude. Really? There we go. There's a push. There's that push. Nice. Nice. Oh, dude. Barely. Come on. I was a tick away from TP. Please. Tick away from TP. Don't do it to me. Yes. What? What? One of my accounts got blown. What the fuck? Oh, you got to be shitting me, bro. You got to be fucking shitting me. Wow, dude, one of my accounts got blown, dude. Really? Also $10 away from fucking. Give me my $10. Really? Okay. That's such bullshit, bro. One of my accounts got blown. That's unreal. Oh, what the hell just happened? Look at that range, dude. That's unreal. Okay. That's weird. I can't believe one of my accounts got blown. That's crazy. Unbelievable. I turned it off. What are they talking about? Okay. I made $200 over. So I gotta lose 200. 150. There you go. Oh, okay. And now I need 50 more bucks. That's okay. Okay. Well, I'm just gambling at this point. Okay. Okay. Just a passing eval, bro, is crazy. And now I'm down 150 bucks. Oh, God, yeah, I'm joking. What's up with this market, man? Really? Really? All right. First clear move of the day to go short, I go long. Ah, okay. Okay, there you go. I need 60 bucks, bro. Please, please tap me, tap me, tap me, tap me. Thank you. Okay. Mm-hmm. Oh wow. And I need 100 bucks now. That is great. I hate this shit, dude. Ah, I just needed like $5 more because they set the target like to 53.10. I had 353.05. So annoying, man. TP is $10. I don't even think we're gonna go down. That's the problem. Direction of overnight, maybe. Oh, nice. You got a good rejection. Once I'm done playing these stupid games, just to make fucking $10, we can actually get to real trading. Really. So one more. Yeah, of course. Of course. There we go. Please just tap me. Please just tap me so I can get back to actual trading. Nice. A little bit lower. A little bit lower, please. Tap me out. Tap me out. Tap me. Thank you. Finally. Count pass. Is the count still active? Yeah, never mind. It's not active. Alright, we have one active funded now. Okay. Real trading now. Because I'm not just gonna gamble the whole time for a fucking funded account. Alright. We got a rejection of overnight. I didn't even set up New York. It's preoccupied. We had a good rejection of overnight. I mean, we have targets at 950. CVD's almost back up to positive. I mean, could we see that target to 675? I don't know if that move is clear for today. I'm going to try this short if... Actually, no, I don't know. This is extremely consolidated. Actually, all those orders got removed from this upside. We broke under 900. Okay, I'm going to take sell 2 right here. Target is 675. 675. I think we could break New York for sure. A big rejection of overnight. I think it was those buyers trying to get out the market. CVD's falling back down. Stay in the 80s, which is good. Point control's 25, but I just don't see it climbing up there. Let's see. Okay. That's pretty good. I'll add in for one more. I think this is going to be a great push if we break New York. If not, I'll measure the risk. Risk is 300 for this trade. If I need to get out early, I will. I don't like this bounce off of New York, though. Let's see how 80s is looking like. Mainly sellers at 80. I don't really see any big buyers. There's a few at 86, but yeah, I don't think it's making a difference. Book showing bearish order flow. 950 is highlighted, but doesn't seem to be a really big deal. Yep, those orders are clearing up. This could be a two-directional type of trade. We'll see. Okay, that's a good sweep. Nice. Let's get a push under 70s, low 70s, nice. We're rejecting off of New York, which isn't great, but I am expecting a break off New York. Because we didn't sweep any stops after sweeping New York, so this gives me confidence that stops were above overnight, right? Above overnight, and then sweeping down to the lows. Nice, good break, New York. Holding 60s pretty well. There's some buyers, but 70 should hold. Unless we're going to bounce right here, which I'm not expecting. Yeah, there's that big seller trying to take this thing downward. It's pretty good. CBD's at minus 600 now. We got very thin liquidity in the 60s. Doesn't look like there's a lot of players, so if, a big player does step in, you can shoot this thing down for 20 points, or you can move it up 20 points pretty easily, just as we did right there. Yeah, I don't know if they're gonna like this though. Shit. Okay. Wait, we're sweeping 90s. Get a good absorption of the 90s. Got some orders forming at 800. So what really happens at New York is what's going to determine if we're going to be bouncing up or down. But we got a good rejection up above, and we did sweep some stops. So, this could be a good swing downwards. Not loving this build up to the top. See that build up? You got 3-layer stack at the bottom, which is a good sign, but I think liquidity is just so thin today that any type of buying activity can shoot this thing upward. But I think the original intended target is to shoot downwards. Didn't make any new highs. Staying under overnight as we did all day. Nothing in the economic news trying to shoot this thing upwards. I think it's purely just positioning from the funds and from the banks, and then I think every other person is just trying to get out of this market. That's why any occurring buying activity happens is usually because of a hedge. Right? If they're hedging to buy this thing up, I don't know. I don't know how I feel about that. Maybe they're right. Maybe I'm wrong. I don't know. But from what I'm seeing, I'm loving shorts under overnight, right at New York. New York is kind of holding on, but we'll see what happens. Oh, what is that? Book is thinning up completely. Oh no, don't tell me this is what I think it is. It is what I think it is. Oh, what the hell, dude? Come on. We're at 900. We're holding 900. Beauty. Add one more to this position. I love that sweep. It's a perfect sweep to the downside. Can we break New York, please? Break the 70s. CBD's at minus 750 now. Wow. Oh, wow. Okay. Okay. We jumped 40 points. Yeah. Oh, sure. Sure. Well, that's a $400 loss in 30 seconds. What the fuck, dude? Oh, this is a shit market. Pretty shit market so far. Are they going to try to take this thing to point of control? No, we reject overnight quite instantaneously. Wow. Okay, I'm going to retry this. No way we got demand to go higher right now. Wow, dude. Wow. Seriously? And I had slippage on my order, so I'm down 600 for the day. Seriously, dude? Seriously, NASDAQ? Is this how we're gonna fucking play? We're not gonna follow any of our conflict. Like, I don't understand, dude. How do we spike 100 points in 2 minutes? And then sweep for 20. Okay. This is gonna be my last try right here. My last try to go short because this is a great short bias trade. What is that sweep? What is that sweep of 900? Thank you. Finally. I'm in for 2 more. Could be a good break of 900. This bit is crowded. Oh, you gotta be shitting me. That's some fucking bullshit, dude. That is some fucking bullshit. Daily loss limit hit. That's on fucking real. There, dude. Where on earth are longs to play on this fucking positioning, dude? Like, all right, dude. Sure. I shouldn't have even been trading today. I knew it. I had a feeling. I was like, this day's not gonna go well. I knew it. what was supposed to happen yesterday is happening today. That's what's going on. Yeah, 100-point spikes. Sweeping overnight by 40 points. Not my day. Not my day. I did pass one funded, but I did lose 750 on the funded. So I honestly went a little bit on tilt, dude. I mean, that's just a little bit tilty, bro. Oh no, I only took 3 positions, but 2 or 3 short right here. Like out, or I went an extra one right here, but it completely swept and went up. So I hopped in for 4 here, spiked up here, sell in 2, another 2, 100-point spike. So, oh, that pisses me off so much. But we're still up 2,500 in the week. We still got our, our payout. So, can't complain. Cannot complain. So, watch it completely reject now. This is not a bullish market at all. It's too much selling pressure. But yeah, okay. Well, I'm done for the day, guys. I mean, today was just not my day. First loss for the week. I'm fine with that, to be honest. I'm completely fine with that. So, I'll catch y'all guys later. Hope you have a good trading day. I'll see you Monday. Peace.